Liberty FM.
Let's empower them. Yehunra police for any soldier for Yehunra for Achedodo. Police for Surusa or more active. Soldier for Surusa or more active. Yehunra Machedodo. Yeba cop election, general election. Ubewuna politicians, Eshe Omukutupa. Unya police in no Bawa Bonibi. Ballot box police in if I give him them or Kawa also can be. You stand a man conform Mukruka. So you're free from more titano. Will be our police in me. Stand a man in the buy. Oh, if I'm some election with him, ICC. And the Omuvi and Sadi and Akao. It was say it's me empower police for the it's me empower soldier for the it's me more use to Makutum echo ground sending on the first. Send you through a better amount for so. Now it will push them back to where they used to be. And yes, your mom to us free her, meaning a benya incident, baby.
Near course, so they are surprising to you.
Not at all.
Not at all.
But I expected worse.
You expected worse?
Of course.
Hey.
Because these are Ghanaians. Yasho Mukutupa. They say, only reverence for police, only reverence for soldier. Now, Asanji, police for the soldier for A2, ono Makutum and every Omonsem. Say Omonko elections. These are Ghanaians. Most of them didn't go there to vote. Most of them went there for revenge. And you police should have picked intel. Some pick intel. Some who say Nebeko. And to me, crowd there, what happened? No, I expected worse than this. And this Oman she normally the same style. I'm the call there. I could say
the intelligence failure.
I mean, it's an understatement to say intelligence failure. It's an understatement. In fact, it's a total failure. A total failure of police operations. Total failure of police operations. Seriously. Total failure. And I think that we must rethink about the IGP. Total failure.
If you say rethink about the IGP, what do you mean?
I think that we must consider sacking this IGP.
Oh, how? This short-term period?
What was it? Minia. The fact that you're successful under Dampare doesn't mean he will be successful being a leader. Oba is will prove number and again. Say leadership there.
Liberty FM.
Only mutakanya. They proving say leadership makafra. They say IGP we are man of the field. We are operations. Now say elections so he kwasi we then baby gidi what baby ano. We are leader in those areas on the field. Now Ablekumanov. What's matna say kahan. Amasa name we akoso. You are total failure. Just Oba so few days now call Boko. Oko Boko. Oko Castle Boko for say Omunyan Tokano na be recruit more police. Now the criminals they don't go police. And he say almost say Nkoko Marco elections or and they say who's Umbeko na be elections or wow. Oba so within 3 days o my mouse or better say a mess we no leave Kelano. Why investigation? But we can't investigate a cat like that. The document was already there in Dampare's time. But maybe the government was not permitting it. It doesn't mean you have done something. And the OSHA, the near maybe operations, Kakrebi Amehua, let's talk about Mutaka. Why a press conference? Sorry.
Liberty FM.
MPP for the Cono. Almost the Nipa Bibregu. Service work, migration, police, customs, narcotics. Baby, why investigation? Who said Sancrophoning and Baby were unqualified. Unqualified number, If you are man pass your exams, maybe SSC and IBB and Omriaba. If you yare, if you are diabetes and our baby, and Omuna, if you are my baby. Obi also over age. No munina ye do mabem nti nkofo a yetu ni o mawie o ma be police for ma be soldier for ma be migration for ma be custom for no What is so many as you mean? Say, Obi take his decision where no the Pacono. Sabi onim buying bohoshe. Oh, the Mutaka lacks a lot in terms of security. I feel say NDC should have other people they could have run security better than Mutaka. Emra, Eddie Kofi was a call Jubilee House. And I told myself that this is a mistake. Kofi Boakye should rather go to interior. Well, only Mejumano only failed, no. At least Kofi Boakye and Kaka should have gone to interior. Mutaka should have gone to. Mutaka are politicians, real politicians. He should have gone to the Flagstaff. Now, and Cropper yet senior maybe. I didn't also way and say, yo, some protocol they were NDC yebi, MPP yebi. Just them MPP for the BECHEM, Omoyano. And it's always will be on passing the exams. Yo, many are one passing your Dubai. Once one passing your Dubai. Yamamu 5 years. Obi answer mass, Obi answer English. One pass or mass, one pass English within 5 years. No, they be for police. No. They be for immigration, they be for customs. And to then you can regroup them again. And to say no department way and a unit way na police no units in endorse. And then units na said we hear some strong academic backgrounds be no baby. Tweet my success animal way. Name what you what on say into the next time you be police for no. If you parliament for money enact laws be man pass, yari for moment. You know, this fine for both MPP and NDC. In confa, modu fast akwan so ba. That is why the Sata Pepe. Then training send you create a tool, send you tutu, send you break it into crowd, send you break it into a room, send it to me and near man. Now, what's the new money there? You know, what baby who said, I who say, Stana, Oman qualify Papa de Trinium tea. Yes, sir, pushes some crow for your Trinium, send you tutu. You know, back to the community that you may be in crowd. Depressing Beckham Colay. So, Obi from no Catamami because Sikawa. Young put to Obeko. Baby plant means so much in Cofibium. And you won't carry almost so much in Cofibium. And can say a sacrifice and group away back into the community again. That was a wrong decision Mutaka took. That's why I'm saying that. Mutaka doesn't know anything about security. Anka and Sesenka are buying away Eddie Mutaka to as an interior minister. Most of the decisions he has made are not going right with the IGP. And if the interior minister and IGP are all bankrupt in terms of security intelligence, then where are we going? In a society where the people in Ghana are already, let me say, are already misbehaving in terms of security. Near security people to take care of security at Mubarak and Yono. And look at the decision they are making. What training Crawford who did to us almost range, only send your tutu, only send your handle animal way, or say, yes, one pass. Yes, one pass here. Already you have taken them. It's the government fault. The government may take you on. And not do Makumwa. I believe the legal implications can be in this. And the government now form Adeakyia. I will see on time at Tinubu. Or the young farm more at Senium, Omnima Kodiakuta, Omnuto, Yen Jaumo, Yam Pamuomo, without any economic come back to the community. Then a human or more Quaquayo community. Then what's in that? Who's to say? And Crawford, community. Can't we think what to do with them? Can't we say, any of your yes, unit way, your co-way. Oh, even blue water, prayer, Muslim form one says, Hane can or Sedeo, Omoko Galam sites. We have a lot of security challenges in this country. When you're training, maybe many Americans in Mitchell. Security, no,
Liberty FM.
10 years in home. They say disabled can be security men. Iran name Israel are queen. So the fire also quickly to them. So we disabled and start back here champoa. Ube to max office at the computer. I send you drone. Ube to max office. Oba security terms are. Be a cost to be a monitor. Obit office or just only social media or security personnel. Only social media. You'll be who know what you're. You'll be watching. And I be on my human. You'll be who know what you're. You'll be who know what you're. No, for that command before. No, mass semu. Senia news bamu motebu kanu mo asemu which want to bring to the public. No mass semu. Oh, we who here news we who here news we who here. But we dey who here. Ye push a command before. So obit wana or yes adiana. Not for your diabetic. Ontimenya na. Obi a diabetic, just say, or useless. Bankers are diabetes. Doctors are diabetic. Teachers are diabetic. Radio presenters are diabetic. And to Obi to hope, now our friend is saying, pressure. Only bankers are pressure. Bankers. Teachers are pressure. Radio presenters are pressure. Politicians, one casano, or more pressure. And the Mutakan or pressure. Come resign. Mutaka on no pressure, Kobe resigning. Let's call a spade a spade. A political witch hunting. But political witch hunting, Mutaka oil, but can family. But the security, a politics, not Minia, would be by my Modo. Now we are many abroso.
All right, but Opadi, Min Chawano, Dodwana Wakaninano, Wutie a Muntaka Nsema or Sign Kaya. I said the ministry is keen to seize every opportunity presented to it towards executing its mandate, plans, programs, and ensuring peace and security for the good people of Ghana. The minister also reminded the public of the Vigilantism and Related Offences Act 2019, that is Act 999, cautioning the political thuggery will not be really tolerated. Yemfa a political thuggery ni and your first time I hear to say opani be minister be an say security person be come about political thuggery, but now and then it happen. What do you think is the missing link?
Number one, me say abai no ma beba so no obi amfa abai obi amfa abai na brofo de so obi anim tro. Obi anim tro, obi abetima tro brofo, obi abetima ba be kasa. Na de bia election club ba beba so a na group of na we see Ghana 4 time. Obi am sign say on five vigilance ma, obi am sign say ma chuma bi ama, obi am sign say tete ya bre. Adeakyia me person be warning politicians they say who deter are attractive because of Traore or Burkina Faso. Who deter are attractive. One of the reasons one of the means a coup deter ever and they say a nipa ever started after security force. It's one of the ways. One of the ways are mayhem to me banana will be and slow police. One of the ways are your friends a rebel group to me starting no. Men kura tu kura men so police ni. Men kura tu kura me kura social generator ade tete no. Na me kura tu. Wow. And a Ghana so udi tu ba Ghana no esu echese. Echese na ode ukura AK-45 ese ene okotere nkusia. There's a who so much power over the kotere no. And the bringing weapons to Ghana is the easiest thing to do. Weapons first up till now, the security are not aware because of their incompetence. Aware. Our weapons, to me first every boko. They can't even tell. Aware. And say, yeah, almost the agri in the diagro. What agri economy diagro. On best side, obviously, I say we are saying that some memory uncle. Also, some memory uncle be a bomb, be and say, but one day, piano. I'm not being a prophet of doom, but say I'm here on my democracy. No, I'm going to touch my opinion. So, and stand a best back, back because politicians, no, Ghana food now, but say, no, the Ghana food who some the agent are grown is their partisan ideas. Or NDC here, just NDC maybe I didn't cross some crowd or NDC, anything. Or NPP. NDP needing cross some crowd, but a bedroom baby, no, and yes, some baby. Or between the bush, or between them, or between Ghana Dutch. So, Sadia started Bemoa. Obo say ombe detach from nsɛmhu bi a mo politicians be didi. Na afei no ɔmo ahwe yɛ den ɛbɛ fie. From there no sɛ yɛanhwɛ yi a sɛ na medical ka no coup d'etat ayɛ attractive. The politicians ɔmo wate a ɔmo hwɛ yie kakra.
Obani Andrew Asiedu Tete Yedasi.
Miss Medasmania.
Obani ane ne din komo oye security expert. Na anapai wabiebie me ne omienu adwenem. Wamaye nyina yehunu nia ekro. Oze muntaka eye failure. Sara nso so na eye IGP nso so eye failure. Even one position say dem a won kampo no must be interchanged. Yemfa we enko eye Jubilee House never we emra. Mr. Good morning.
Morning, Kwasi.
Apom.
I'm Yadumo.
Papa no. What can do? Security won some. But me know what na say na ye analyzing niema e koso na ne koso na ye de kokoswe akwatia. What then you were saying were in line with near papa kano anapai.
Oh yeah.
Also I don't know on your surprised of near AC no. Yesterday you told me say when you're surprised of near a course and you even predicted say yeah kwakwati akrampo na I was say it to me ehye ye niema ye do akwatia no near ACC wo aye rerun dem entumi enkonkosi akwatia because the police will now set up.
Yeah.
But I would hear and say ma opani akanya. So impression.
Kwasi me da say yanchia ya hwefo o mo hwe wo Facebook live my Liberty FM and all the social media handles and I tifo so mutie sene woni opanyini Andrew Asiedu Tete di nkoma waka no wa chechire nsem bibiri ba ne nsem na waka no bibiri ho amene ne ya adwen ena de course wo abrekuma north no na ebisi Kwasi na ebisi o
Last Friday no.
na ebisi na se na the science na egu wo no ho na ya hwe egu wo no
Yeah, true.
na ebisi on say sisi ana kwa say your politics no edru ba bi say wudi dim ya meso me de bediwu.
Okay.
So kai say me bi NPP time by election bi Sam George
ya partner na so no eno ya waso west wo go.
Enti hobre no
eno na ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe kasa efa this ablikuma rerun eniama fon esi ho no na Sam George nso ka say onka na no ntum o say shut up
yo
na me say
enti won de akoye no tell say de na no we see ye no wo bi atwera to se mete me ho
ti ono so bete no
enti we nte ho no enti won say na hye bedwani dada asisi a wonte akunwa so ha wakumsin for the your head no.
But you see, to even that person or side a dive a head keke mama no. So when you be you're training where you can't do that thing.
Wouldn't
Yes.
And what you say I expect.
And so meaning that the Yerasiadu was saying in your course no oblemu the NDC and government. Is that correct?
Oh yes, says it's here no. Abayan no ene so. Enti lapses be a beba was security will be an ultimate fan kwashe NPP for. And
what she also
fan kwashe Ghana for abandon the besha no.
What she also near a course no. All the brutalities were against the MPP.
Oh yes.
We didn't see the MPP rather brutalizing anyone or whatever.
Sentinel Metro say near Yama Yabatwo no akwaye no. The Yama ya politics na akwaye no. NPP was what. And you may be say koswa abamofo ni no ma yenhwe han na ekoso same thing NDC so ba ne may be cause na in favor of NDC abamofo no ma yedin on say atisi akwese obi asuru na adwuma obo na adwuma ho ban onkoye na ne ho abekere no gwakoti se wo hwe videos here police fo gina won ye bonko for sa no
yes
omon chese omo yi omani
I don't know opinion ka say a failure on the part of the police but police no police for na asanya for ho adwen.
Oh yes.
From on your no EDDZ from the ECC here and all can because some ye police ni na obi aba na oya dia enye aha menko ho wosimeko na unia wo ye no echememfo na mebo wani so a
me ho be sa akire
ya interdict me
enti se menye
it the next time the police won't do that
enti wo wi a the be so akotia na be wesa
and ye kon ya catch police ni se be mfatu manya hwe ya disarm wo mo
eno ode ne nsapan na Ghana ni police ni kura tuo onsuro no Ghana fo ni bi soja ni kura tuo onsuro no wona ne kokko na wasaji tu etuo no na ma police ni mu yedu ene ma soja ni mu yedu ya je fi ni se ne so onfa ne nsapan ko gina ho miwa ebi mo so abo madwen po se abato na na ekoso no be hadwen on be basabasa ho na police ni no gina ho no oni tuo soja ni tuo no gina ho no gina wasan na tuo ni kura na yesuro ni sana etuo bi ankura no enti I think say eba ye security won sensem a ye tutu na jeje mu na ye nhwe ni ye mwa as a country ye nhwe ni ye pa ye tutu ye security won sensem na jeje mu no because they see two wrongs do not make a right.
Yeah, sure.
It is na no what dey emfa na say na no kra no ebi see NPP time enti I was say repeat ni bi mana enwiya ye bobi asum ye head bi na just say a serious issue a serious issue nti I think it's a bad time I was say paying for the one night is from efa ne ma bi same na say ye betra o mu na de bia abatu mu on say touch my south was saying in same bi si honom ho bia na ye to about 2020 and so da ho e bi so ama abatu bi besa akoso a obi be say ono so kwotene ho na no so akoye nsem bibiri but asamba na ye kan yenkan ye e na mo di seven nsem hunu ni nsem fo no kwasi ye nche o mo yenchi omo we ya interior minister ka se perpetrators ne ye be hwehwe ma yenchi obi a wo Ghana ha koto enko ba bia we ya maf talk waka yenchi obi a hutei
na all can about blue water wine for no so
so mo de so mo ko bonsu ho ba no mo ma hye adwuma se de omo ma hye adwuma se
ba ye ne concern clergy for any nkomo wo mo so e de asem e beto mo nti so mo ka se wo mo petition the AG about sa galamsey nsem ne kwan ye faso a yesisi galamsey yes ni nyina amane no no ne se ye water bodies in the way a wo mo AC ye niema ho no was here to me etu anamon na near it was so many etum no then they were saying say I was here to me a declare state of emergency your water bodies no ma ye ne kwa be se fa nin komo kwa be ma cha na pai
me Josemania
napom
India fortune was the gugum
ade na momo hu ne say ye declare state of emergency your water bodies no ha e betumi aboa ama eye ne ye hunu galamsey nsemu no abrase
medase mechia watiefo nyina menua I think say one of the convention UN4 at the mine say on man bia wo be say wo so no you are at war enti me hu ni ye sisi Ghana we are at war because yensu nyina asay enti babia du no I think say yenkwan ho de ntimi nko enti ye declare state of emergency the international community will come and help because minia ade we did ya grossa no hwe mercury ni ade na ye kan this metals no ebetimi our body mu for 20 good years answer na be start say liberty fm eba be dan ho adi wo ni padua mu ebeduru ho no wa hwe ya usike kutanya de be konso ubewu and I believe that this is the time one yes say Ghana for na we anya politics o minia ye the politics is I no na ama ne kona ye den no because we kai say current president am na no ye campaign o jam platform so ka say untimi ma obi adwuma untimi ne mpamo ne free ho enti na ono aba so wo queen o ma obi adwuma no betimi apomo ana ye the politics is ma ye kunipa because it's a straightforward thing. In himself, go for back me say, as a man making the anointing. Because if I were to be the president, within 24 hours, and I'm saying, King who be Ghana have you.
As a man, okay.
Oh, shoot and kill.
Oh, shoot and kill. Say, Maza, you see, there are some people who are more kayana modi or how ebre ayeti Ghana. Hold on. Na obi oye galamsi wa twese kan. We have laws. Hold on. We have laws. And meba. Our laws must be enforced. We are not enforcing our laws. So we are not enforcing our laws. I don't just say obi failure. Yemfan konko obi. So obi eye galamseya. Nipa no boni ben na why say o two of my good enti yen konko fetu enko gu so 10 yenko so that we will be killing all Ghanaians. With them the number of people of galamsey sites. Yes, so tell the president, said Mr. John Dramani Mahama, when you were in opposition, you told Ghanaians, say, Wobema eye, more galamsey sites na adwuma mo mo aye. Enti waba ma wo mo adwuma na wo mo nye, when nipa no nya adwuma, obe free site wodom, and then nyama bi mo ho, it won't go on. But to go shoot and kill, no, a disaster.
Sika omudi nya no one day. Unless say
why na ye adwuma ompem faso.
That's what I'm saying. It's sika omunya no one day no.
Yes.
Unless say government need the same sika be mom one day before say no ma janye so munya.
And then which is the president kan no a fallacy.
That is what I'm saying, sir. That's what I'm saying, sir. We should declare a state of emergency. Declaring
state of emergency. What do we gain?
Minya.
You declare state of emergency. Hold on. You declare state of emergency. Security for no money nam. What do we gain? You declare bank of us also. Yes.
I see 24 hours security. Said your kind.
Ensure na wahene ye kwakobo ho ban no.
Ensure pra ni ho. Ofini ho.
Ni nyina nwe.
And we, but what is the state?
Yes, inti ye bon ban but to shoot and kill there, bra. David,
me na me president, that would be my solution. Because I can see people are born with deformity, with no fault of theirs. People are having hepatocellular carcinoma, cancers, kidney. I'm telling you, go to the hospitals and see. And I was say I'm here. What do I say? The OC, Yekokuna is human rights, no. Or no cool be there, human right. Don't we are they not killing us? They are killing us slowly. But we think that we should leave it like that. It's bad. Because the thing is that I'm going to say, because of say they are politics in tea.
But remember, say Nipanya Boao. And then you go shoot no Kuamosa. Dabi. The international communities that you are saying say they will come in, no. If we are to shoot and kill people at the Galamsey site, do you know these same people also come in?
Which people?
The international communities.
Master, me see, certain America say Ghana obi no ayamano ai head is only obisu or my bisu. Ghana is a sovereign state. What do you say? And the sovereign state no be to me take decision my
Liberty FM.
It's nyama nipa nyinanwu. Nipa few people to enrich themselves.
But then said that has been the norm in life. And nipa hold on, and nipa nyina na be yi. Obi be ye obi akwa.
Akwasi, Bible say Nyankopon e bo hia ni no bo skani. Ade na don prenye skani ni bi.
What's ade na men prenye skani ni bi?
Enti yes obi apre so be nya sika.
But me umi no uni aye nyina me so me press me nya sika. Nti me so ma fam de na me ye no.
Enu nti na wo ye no. Eti wo ye no. When ye say, yes say. Obi nso when ye say, oh, ma me nkodo.
Me na we adwin Galamsey no enye. But to shoot and kill people there, brah. That be.
I was it. I don't want to.
Okay. Agro yen kan ni wachi awsi agro na edu.
Israel for. Israel for. Who say de nyame mapa. Unimza. The right owners of and komu kwa den ke nu gba se komu twitu okura. But any person